Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to fixing to hop on my e-bike, my Boar 604, henceforth known as Staff Sargent Reckless. We're going to go down. I have a geocache that's been idle for a little while. I had to take it out of service because I've been getting notifications that the log sheet is wet and they can't sign it or do any of that. So I'm going to go down. We're going to the ballpark that's down at Fireman's Park. So this geocache is back behind there. It's Spankey. I named it Spankey because if you pop one out of the ballpark, you spanked it. So anyway, we're going to go do that. I'm going to go fix that one up. I'm going to try a new version of filming on the way down. So I'm going to try to take you guys along. Hopefully it works out. Well, I'm going to take you along, but maybe it might be from here down to there. I'm hoping to get some good stuff in between. So let's open the gate and let's ride. Yup, let's do it. So we made it down to Fireman's Park baseball field. This is the outfield fence. Kind of center field, I think, because the scoreboard is right there. So we're kind of right center. Yep. And think for a minute. So here's one of the light poles. I don't know if you go up there, it's one of the big light poles for the ballpark. Yep. And Spankey is right under the base of this. So let me pull that one out. I'll show that to you. A lot of times when you come out here, there's baseballs out here. But they must not have had a game recently, or somebody came and picked them up, any that came out here. So let me go turn this around. We'll get Spankey out. clean it up, put a new log sheet in it. I got a little monkey for it. I got a pat tag. I'll show you all that stuff here in a second. Yep. Let's do it. Okay, so the coordinates bring you right up here to this big base, and what this is just a very simple, it's a key holder, magnetic key holder. Magnets are a little rusty, but they're still in there. Yep. So we'll see if we can get this open and take a look at the log sheet. I can hear some things in there, so let me get this open. Let's open it right here. Okay, sometimes these are a little tough to get open. You can see people have pried on it, so I may have to. I don't know if I have anything to pry it with. There we go. This takes some finger strength, so we'll open this up. The only thing in here is the old log sheet. It's dry in there. It's just after a period of time you get condensation in these sheets, and this one obviously is a no-go, so it's wet. It's not good. So we'll take that home. We can take this home and clean this up and reuse the straw and stuff. So let me get out what I brought. Let me get something. Okay, I brought several things with me. I brought a fresh log sheet in a fresh tube that will go in here. This is dry and clean, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a little wipe out, just get any excess dust out of there. Not a lot. And then I will take the top piece, do the same thing, wipe it down, get it as clean as possible. The cleaner it is, obviously, the better it's going to slide on this little rail. So these are notoriously hard to open after they've been out for a while. So what I'm going to do is I brought in a baggie a little bit of petroleum jelly, and I'm going to put just a little bit on there. I don't want to collect a bunch of dirt, any more dirt than possible, but I just want to help maybe this thing slide just a little bit better. So I'm going to put it just a little bit right along the edge on the bottom, right along here, just a little bit. Very light coat, and then the same on the top right here. Very light coat in that channel right there. Get a little more for the other side. Yeah, that's much better. So people should be able to get that open and closed. I'll wipe off any excess that is there, and then nice. So we're ready to go back together with this stuff. So I had the box cleaned up. I had the lid lubricated so it will slide easier. I'm going to put a new log sheet in a tube in there. I have one of my little monkeys. Say hello. Little relaxing monkey. He's just chilling. Put him in there, and then also brought one of my sock monkey path tags. So that is my geocaching name is SockMonkey69, and I just carried that over to my channel, and that's how I got my name. So trivia. That may be forthcoming at some point. So there we go. Got the log sheet in there, the path tag, the little monkey. We've got the case cleaned up and lubricated so it's easier to open, and then we'll just put it back. I'll pick my stuff up here and put it back in the bag, and then we'll stick it back. We'll put it back. All right, it's all clean, ready to go. I can't do anything with the rusty stuff on the back, but that won't hurt anything. As long as the magnets stay in there, we're good. So we'll just stick it back underneath here where people can find it, and yeah. So that's it. We did the maintenance on it. Now all I need to do is go back on the application and reactivate the geocache, and then people can come and start finding it again. So, all right, so we're gonna hop back on Steph Sargent Reckless here. Head back to the casa. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got back to the house. The sun is shining nice. The Staff Sergeant got us back here with no problem. I did pedal quite a bit, so I got probably gonna have some sore legs tomorrow. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the ride. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. You can do that right up here if you want to. Share, do the whole 9 yards. I really appreciate you guys coming and watching my stuff. I appreciate you a lot. See ya.